Have you ever felt stuck on a task and wish someone could just guide you through the step by step solution? Well, guess what? There is an AI tool which can help you step by step with all your problems. Log into Google AI Studio. Just visit the link aistudio.google.com and click on sign in. You could sign in with your current Gmail account quickly, or you could go ahead and sign up for Google AI Studio with few simple clicks. In Google AI Studio, just go ahead and click on Stream. Now here we have three ways to interact with Google AI. The first option we have is you can talk to Google AI. The second option we have the webcam. You can show to Google AI what you are looking at. And the third option is sharing your computer screen. So in this example, we're going to proceed with share screen. Before doing that, just make sure you don't have any confidential data open on your computer. So I'm gonna select share screen here. Now here we have the option to share the screen. Select your screen and click on share. Hey Google, how are you?
I am doing well. How can I help you today?
I need help with Excel sheet.
Okay. What do you need help with in the Excel sheet?
Can you confirm that you can see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen.
I want to get the total of all sale. So what will be the process?
Okay, to get the total of all the values in the gross sales column, here's what you can do. In an empty cell, type H2H701, then press enter. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Perfect. I appreciate your help. I got the total of all sales here.
Glad I could help.
Yeah, I need your help in creating a pivot table so that I can analyze the sale performance of each country in this Excel sheet. Can you help me with that?
Sure, I can help with that. Can you tell me which column contains the country information you'd like to analyze?
B column contain the country information.
Okay, in order to create the pivot table, could you tell me which column contains the sales information you'd like to analyze by country?
Yeah, it's J column, sales.
Great. I recommend selecting all of your data. In the pivot table editor, add country from column B as a row and sales from column J as values. This will give you the sum of sales for each country. Would you like to proceed this way?
Yeah, that's perfect. If you can see my screen, I have selected all of the data.
Can you locate the insert menu in the toolbar?
Here I can see the pivot table.
Great. Let's click on Pivot Table there. Click the Create button. Then in the Pivot Table editor, add Country as a row and Sales as a value. Does that work?
Uh, Let me add country as a row, and yeah, I've added sales as the value.
Okay. I see you have Sale Price in the Values section. Is that the correct data that you want to analyze?
Yeah, that's the correct data.
Okay, the table is showing the sum of sale prices for each country. Are you happy with the pivot table or would you like to make any changes?
So that's it. I appreciate all of your help. We got the pivot table here. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could help. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, that's it. So here is the perfect example. Google just helped me to create a pivot table of my sales sheet. Hi Google, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen. Is there something specific you would like me to look at?
Yes, I need your help adding a new user on my Windows 11 laptop.
Okay. To clarify, do you want me to guide you through the steps of adding a new user on your Windows 11 laptop?
Yes, you are right. I need a step-by-step guidance.
Okay. First, can you click on the Windows Start button?
What's next?
Please click on Settings. It's the icon that looks like a gear.
Sure.
Can you select Accounts, which should be in the left sidebar of the Settings window?
Yeah, I am in the account right now.
Now look for the Family and Other Users option and select it. It should be under the Account Settings section.
I have two options, family and other users. Which will be better?
In that case, select Other Users. Does that option work for you?
Okay. Now, should I proceed with add account?
Yes, go ahead and click on Add Account.
So here I can add new Microsoft email account. I want to add the user without the Microsoft email.
Okay. Can you click on Add a User without a Microsoft account?
Thank you. Perfect. I gave the username ITPK.
Understood. And you have entered the password as well. Can you please fill in the security questions and then click Next?
Yeah. I filled out all of the security questions.
You can now click Next.
I got the user created. Perfect.
You're all set. Is there anything else I can assist you with regarding this new account or anything else?
No, that's it. Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome.
Now let's quickly go to our next and the last example. Hi Google AI, can you see Camtasia open on my computer?
Yes, I can see TechSmith Camtasia open on your computer. Is there something specific you would like me to look at there?
Yeah, can we combine these both tracks, audio and video, please?
From what I see in Camtasia, you can typically combine audio and video tracks by grouping them together. Does Camtasia have a group function in its menu or toolbar?
I'm not sure. I need your help to do that.
Okay, I see an edit option in the top menu. Would you mind clicking that to see if there is a group option in there?
Sure. Yeah, I can see the group option here. Should I click on this?
You can select the group option in the menu. Try clicking the option now. Did that work?
Yeah, it worked. I have selected the group option and it combines the audio and video of the file.
Great. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, I'm already impressed and I appreciate all of your help.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could help.
So that's it about today's amazing and perfect video. We have used Google AI to fix our multiple issues. In the first demo, we have asked Google AI to fix our couple of Excel issue. In the second demo, we have asked Google AI to create a new user on our computer. And in the third demo, we have asked Google AI to help us in video editing that will combine the audio and video section of the video. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family to get a lot of help with AI without wasting time on searching for the solutions. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and get ready for the next one. Bye.